Blog post type number 6. Case studies. Case studies are incredibly valuable to readers for several reasons. First, they let the reader see what's going on behind the scenes of your business. Readers love being taken behind the scenes, and by writing a case study, you give them a look at how things work in your business. You show them the inner workings of your business, which can provide valuable insights to your readers. Second, they provide valuable lessons regarding how you achieved success in a particular area. For example, let's say that you tripled your sales in 6 months. You get to walk your readers through exactly what you did, why you did it, how you did it, and what the results were. Your readers can then implement similar steps in their own businesses. If you don't have a personal case study to write about, you can write about how you've helped one of your customers. In other words, write about how you enabled one of your customers to achieve massive success. Look through your customer list and determine which ones has been successful using your products or services. Then email them and talk through how they used your product or service to grow their business. When writing your case study, try to provide as much concrete, actionable material as possible. You want your readers to be able to take your case study and apply the lessons in their own businesses. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media, and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.